how to build a casement window. Alright, so we got our 4 pieces here. Some of them are already taped. We're going to tape this corner just to show how that works. So what we want to do is run the tape as close as possible to the edge of that miter joint or cut. And we need to run tape along here as close as we can to that edge. Okay, got that done. Okay, black window, black caulking. I put a line from our edge. Okay. This one. So we're doing it on the 2 side parts of the window. Okay, we'll go down the other end. Alright, so we got that all silicone. Next step is to insert the corners into the frame. Then we're going to drop this down like this. So it's together. Now screw the corners together. So just putting the top screw right now just to get the parts together. You can double check the measurements. Alright, so the next step is to clean the silicone off. We got that there, just like that. We want to make sure that this doesn't sit up too high, so we'll clean that off. And also there where the glazing tape's going to be placed. Now this edge here, a shim like that, a nice start corner on it. Run along there. clean pretty much all the silicone up. Now last below, and we just run our finger across there and get that cleaned right up. Do that on all four sides, and then you come around and just pull off the tape. Okay, leaving this tape longer and down at the bottom, leaving it longer so it comes at the back makes it a hell of a lot easier to take off. Don't leave it short. Okay, so this is going to explain the difference between the different lengths of tape being used. So we have this corner over here that was taped by someone who shall go unnamed, and this one that was taped by myself at the beginning of the video on how to tape that. So you can see here, nice and easy. I pull that off. Long line here. I pull that off. This one. We get on, and this is better than the other corner. It's easier to deal with. Same thing, this is at least able to get a hold of, but if it was shorter, it'd be a real pain in the butt. So no problem, use a little bit of extra tape, makes it easier to remove and less mess. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is to foam the corners. This drilling can be done beforehand or now. Okay, so then we do that to all four corners and let that set for the night, and then we can install the glass tomorrow.